Wanna know how to disable or hide your location in Instagram Map? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, just simply open up your Instagram application, and on the top right side, you should be seeing DM option right here. So you can just simply select it. And now once you've selected it, here you should be seeing or be inside the DM. So on right beside your note, you should be seeing map, something known as map right here. So you can just simply select it. And now once you select map, on the top right side you should be seeing your settings option as well. So you can just simply select settings option right here. And now in order to disable or hide your location from the map, just simply select no one right here, and then select on delete on back on, or you can just simply customize it for 3 hours or 24 hours. Just simply select it, and now your location should be stopped just like this. And that's it, super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. Have a good one, and see you in the next one.